Hello, hi guys, it's Sinam Ghafoor here with an accessory for the Sony Xperia Z2, being the external stereo microphone that is the STM-10. Now I've picked this up here in the UK for £36. In the States it's around $60. As ever, links will be down in the description box below if you're after one. The packaging is almost impenetrable, but once you get to the product itself, you can see the two microphones are labelled up left and right with the Sony branding across the center. You've got this stainless steel cage that goes right the way around the two mics just to protect them a little bit. Although the mics themselves are fixed, they do not move. However, this stainless steel cage does rotate 90 degrees, as well as the entire microphone itself can be rotated a further 90 degrees in either direction depending on which way you're shooting. Also included is this foam wind filter, which comes in handy when you're recording outside just to stop those whistling noises being picked up. And as usual, you've got the normal reading material in the form of safety important information, declaration of conformity, and a quick start guide here as well. Let's take this for a spin with some outdoor and some indoor recording, see how well it performs and whether or not you can actually notice a difference over the standard built-in microphone. Right, we're just taking a walk with the Sony Xperia Z2 with no microphone in it at the moment, so completely standard sound recording that you're hearing from the unit itself, and it should be picking up absolutely everything because it's a nice summer's day here in the UK where it's raining. So what we'll do is just plug in the external microphone, see if you can hear much of a difference. Now it should cancel out some of the background noise from the traffic and I should sound clearer. But do let me know in the comment section how it sounds to yourself. I will watch and hear it back on the computer, see if it sounds any better. I'll turn the microphone completely away from myself so it's pointing in the same direction as the camera. And again, you may notice a slight difference in the sound being recorded. I'll just turn it back towards myself again. Indoors now with some dry recording, still with the Sony Xperia Z2, and you can see I've removed the wind filter on this STM-10 external microphone, and you should be able to hear the radio in the background as I've got my speakers just sitting behind my monitor here. I've also got the window open, so you may still be able to hear the rain from British summertime outside. I've also got the speakers, the fans on my computer turned to maximum, so there's plenty of noises going on indoors here, and we'll see how much the microphone affects. Right, plugging in the microphone into the Z2 and positioning it towards myself. It should reduce the noise levels from the radio certainly, and that should be noticeable, but you should still be able to hear it nonetheless, albeit slightly lower. And what we'll do is just position the microphone in the same direction as the camera, so away from myself and towards my monitor, making the radio a little bit more louder. Just moving the microphone back around to myself, and again I should be appearing a little bit more clearer with the radio being slightly cancelled out. I'm not quite sure if it's going to completely cancel it out. I highly doubt it would, to be fair, but again I've yet to watch or hear this back on my computer, so we'll see how much or how little this external microphone affects the sound levels being recorded. It certainly should be clearer according to Sony's hype, but do let me know in the comment section below. Well, that was a look at high quality audio and video, but what if you're not concerned about the video and you only want the audio? Well, Sony has optimized the audio recorder application, which is completely free from the Android Play Store, for their STM-10 microphone as well as Xperia devices, which allows you to record in super high quality lossless audio as well as compressed audio, and the results are much the same as we've just seen. Incredible audio cancelling out the background noise, and if I can just play this back here, and the results are much the same as we've just seen. Now I know what you're going to ask, is this device compatible with my smartphone? First of all, this is optimized for the Xperia Z2 and the Z2 tablet. However, if your device is compatible with a 5-pole audio connector, then yes, it will work. And by that I mean 3.5mm audio jacks, which all these three are. But if you look at the STM-10 here, it's got 5 poles, 4 bands that you can see, which are conductors, and 1 being the earth. So the other 2 that you see here, which are for the Galaxy S5 and the iPhone 5S, have 4 poles, which means 3 conductors and 1 earth. So this device I have actually tested with the Galaxy S5 and the iPhone 5S doesn't work. It doesn't improve the audio much more than what's standard on those devices. But if your device is compatible with a 5-pole audio connector, as I say, 4 conductors and 1 earth, then yes, this device will work. Well, there you have it, guys. That was a look at the external microphone from Sony, being the STM-10. As ever, any comments or questions you guys have got, hit them up in the comment section down below there. Give us a thumbs up if you liked this video and like what you saw, and if you found it informative, then please do give us a like. And if you haven't yet done so, hit subscribe. It's just down there. It doesn't cost you a single penny, and you can also check out some of our forthcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wicked day, and we'll see you next time.